While these smaller projects are ideal for DIY solutions, replacing the heating and cooling system is a chore for the pros. And Brent Keith, a local heating and cooling contractor, begins the process by asking Tommy a few questions about his house.
Well, the existing system has slowly gotten worse over the last year or so, and it's putting out some cool air, but it's not putting out enough to cool the house.
Well, to get started, I'm going to need to get information from the existing system. I'm also going to look at your ductwork just to see what kind of shape it's in. Sure. And then I'm going to get some information from your home so we can run a manual J8 cooling load, which is our way of determining sizing needs, so we can recommend the correct size system.
What exactly is a J8 load?
Well, what we do is basically it takes into account not only the square footage of your home, but also window placement, window size, insulation levels, and we plug that into a computer system, and it essentially tells us how many BTUs or cooling tonnage your system needs.
Sure.
Once Brent completes his calculations, he shows Tommy some of his options.
All right, now I've got several options here, and basically the difference between the options is going to be your efficiency rating or SEER rating.
What exactly is a SEER rating?
SEER rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Rating, and it's essentially how much energy your system uses while it's running.
Brent also explains that much of Tommy's old ductwork will need to be replaced.
What exactly is wrong with the ductwork upstairs? Will it not work with the new system?
When I was looking in the attic at the duct system, we noticed some issues with the trunk line, which is the main duct, and then also the runouts or branch ducts. With a big investment like a high-efficiency air conditioning system, to put it on a leaky duct system is basically just wasting money.
It's a waste, sure.
Once Tommy decides which system he wants, Brent's crew goes to work removing the old system and then installing the new one. So Brent, where did Tommy end up on his SEER rating? That's something that I know homeowners are always struggling with. A little more money, but sure pays off in the end, doesn't it?
Yeah, sure, Danny. He ended up going with the 16 SEER Infinity system.
That's great. Oh, awesome. He'll be glad he did that with that old system that he had and the power bills he had. That must be unbelievable.
Absolutely, and it's got the variable speed technology, which does a better job with humidity.
A lot of people don't realize on the variable speed how good that is, especially it being right here by this patio. It's going to be a heck of a lot quieter.
It's going to be much quieter.
Yeah, than it was before.